Let's address this problem assuming the lamp has only one switch. Then, let's add a second switch and see how much that changes our problem. If the lamp has only one switch, it seems to be a fairly straightforward solution. If the switch is up, then the light should be on. If the switch is down, then the light should be off. The process description we have here is often referred to as pseudocode. That because it looks like computer code, but it's not really. It's just a few lines describing an algorithm or a sequence of instructions in plain English. Funny thing is, in this particular problem, our pseudocode looks very much like the actual C# code we would have to write in order to solve this problem. I know this is a beautiful piece of code, but don't get hung up on it. If it doesn't make sense now, we'll look at it in more detail later on. For now, the main takeaway is pseudocode is another tool that we can use to help us have a preliminary analysis of the problem before implementing an actual solution. Now, what if we add a second switch to this problem? Now we have one lamp that can be turned on and off by flipping two different switches. If you have a lamp like this in your house, I encourage you to pause this video and go take a quick look at it. I bet its behavior will be very similar to the one we'll describe here. In fact, this is exactly how the lights in my living room work, and here's the pseudocode that I wrote to describe their behavior. If switch A is down and switch B is down, then the light should be off. If switch A is down and switch B is up, then the light should be on. If switch A is up and switch B is down, then the light should be on. If switch A is up and switch B is up, then the light should be off. In summary, one switch does not care about the position of the other switch. Whenever I flip one, the light will immediately change state. If it's on, it'll go off. If it's off, it'll go on. If I want to go a step further, I can draw a truth table that describes the behavior of the lights in my living room. Truth tables are very commonly used in Boolean algebra. Speaking of Boolean, do you know what Boolean expressions are?